Hello kids, welcome to Kiddos TV. Today we are going to learn the numbers. We will be learning these numbers by tracing it with different colors. Let us get started. Red color 1. Dark blue color 2. Orange color 3. Black color 4. Light green color 5. Dark green color 6. Black color 7. Orange color 8. Red color 9. Dark blue color 10. Light green color 11. Red color 12. Dark blue color 13. Orange color 14. Dark green color 15. Black color 16. Light green color 17. Orange color 18. Dark blue color 19. Red color 20. We will read it one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Thank you kids for coloring these numbers with me. I hope you like it. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.